Hello everyone, let's take a look at the question 13 in your notes. So here, when you're doing this type of questions, you should make sure that to check if these lines are straight lines. If these are not straight line, I'm afraid you cannot use the theorem that we have learned. Okay, so here we have AB and CD are straight lines. Okay, you can highlight it as I do. So let's take a look. Here we need to find the x and y. So x, if you use the vertically opposite angles, the x will be equals to angle AOC, which is this angle. However, we don't know the size of this angle. Therefore, this time we won't use the theorems about the vertically opposite angles. Instead, here you know this is a straight line. Straight line, then you can use the theorem about the straight line, which is x plus 120 equals to 180 adjacent angles on straight line. And therefore here we can solve the value of x by minus 120 on both sides, which is 60. Okay, that's great. We find that x is 60. And now what about y? Again, here, y. We cannot find any angles which is opposite to the angle y. Okay, so here, how do you find y? There are two different methods. Okay, first, you can consider the 70 plus y, which is angle COB. Because COB is vertically opposite angles to the 120 angle AOD. Okay, method 1, 70 plus y equals to 120. Vertically opposite angles. Okay, so if you don't like using the vertically opposite angles, you can also use the straight line CD. So if you use the straight line CD, okay, method 2, it will be something like 70 plus y plus x, which is 60. Then you can find out the value of y. So actually, one reminder to you, in order to find out the values of x and y, you can see I have made good use of the two straight lines. Because when we are calculating x, we have used the straight line AB. And when you look for y, you have to use the straight line CD. So therefore, students, every time you should read the question carefully. Every conditions provided by the questions, you need to use up all of them. Because if you didn't use up all the conditions provided or the information provided, I'm afraid you will miss out something. Okay, so you can see that maybe AB and CD are straight line are too obvious. Actually, they are helping us to find out the values. So please read the questions very carefully. Don't miss out any important informations. Thank you.